Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I'm trying to get a little bit farther away from my book. But today I'm going to be working on the first layout in my new fall junk journal. You can see I added this. I think I might have filmed this, but I haven't made the video yet. I forget. But anyway, we're going to do our first layout in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is just put, I don't know if pumpkin everything is good for this one though, because it's still September. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that on that one. I also have this one. Maybe I'll put this one on the front because I think that's better for September, and then this would be good for October or even November. So anyway, we're going to do that, but I have finished this one. And it is chunky. So I will go through this one as soon as I can get all the photos of my grandkids covered up. We'll do a flip through of this, a real quick flip through. It's got a lot in it, so I'll probably speed up that flip through. But today, my grandson spent the day. His mom went back to school. And he comes to my house on Thursdays during the school year and every once in a while in the summer. But today he was here and we had a great day. We went to the park and Dollar Tree. Today is actually his dad's birthday, so he picked out some Winnie the Pooh socks for his dad for his birthday. It was so cute. And I took him to McDonald's, and he was not interested in this Happy Meal, really. Or, well, he ate the meal, but he wasn't that interested in the prize. But he did get Jimin. I don't know if that's how you say it. And he was okay with it, but he wasn't super thrilled with it. But we're going to document McDonald's. He didn't care about the card or the stickers. I just got some new slippers. I'll probably take a picture of them, maybe. I don't know, maybe not. And I just thought the tag was really pretty, and it has the word joy. It's joy spun. So I'm going to put that somewhere in here too. And then I have some pictures, some of which you can see, and some of which I'll have to cover up a face. But let's do this first. I'm just going to kind of put some Fabri-Tac on here and get that glued down. Yeah, I do like this one better for the first September. And you know, though, it's not set in stone that this is only going to be September, so it could end up being October too. You never know. It depends on how much I got going on in September, really. So there, I think that looks cute. So that's going to be my cover page for the first month or so. And then over here, I want to put something here. I think maybe some washi tape, but I got to get it out. Alright, so here are some fall washi tapes that I can use on my layout here. I have all my photos here that I'm gonna, I don't know if they'll all fit on this page, but we'll see. And then we'll do something with this and this, and this too, the box. I think I'm going to keep this for another layout. So anyway, what I think I'm going to do is just cut across here and put a little Scotch tape on the bottom to close it, because I don't like how this looks when you put something in there. See, you can see it on the bottom, and I don't want to see it on the bottom. So I'm going to cut that straight across and just put a little Scotch tape across the bottom and fold it over. And I think that would be good. Let's do it this way. Oh my gosh. I think I need a new piece. I don't want gunky fingerprints all over it. Let's see if I can do that again. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, I messed it up again, but not as bad. Put that like that. And I'll probably put this here on this side with the card in it. I'll have to ask my daughter-in-law how to say that. My daughter-in-law is from Korea. And we'll put that down with the stickers. I think that should be good. And I thought this matched quite well with the card even. It's purple. It's kind of like a purplish pink. So let's get those out of the way for the moment and figure out... I think... I don't know why, but I think I want to use the owls. I don't normally love owl stuff, but let's just go ahead and put some owl washi on the bottom here. Okay. That's pretty sticky. I don't know if I'll need any more. So here's a picture. We opened up the sandbox today. I don't know if you can see it, but a sunflower is growing in the sand. Here he is with his new skeleton mask on. He got a big boy haircut today too, and he just looks so much older. Here he's looking up at the tree in the park, and that's what he was looking at. He was noticing the bark had fallen off these branches, and I think that's because it's a shagbark hickory. I think that's what it is, and it just naturally falls off. There's nothing wrong with it. Here we were eating lunch in the backyard, and this is my 4-year-old granddaughter on her first day of preschool. She's going to a preschool 1 day a week. It's a Christian preschool, and it's free for 1 day a week, so that's what she's going to be doing this year. And now let's figure out where we want to put this should be first because that kind of happened first. And I'll just glue these down. And oops, oh jeepers. Oh my gosh, I just dropped the glue bottle and I got glue on there. Alright, I think it looks best like this, so that's what we're doing. We're going with that. Now I got to pick up my glue bottle. Alright, and then we went to the park, so we'll put that down. He's a good little guy to take places. I wasn't sure the first time I did it how he would behave, you know, but he was good. He's always good when we go out. Okay, this one's next. And he goes to oh my gosh, I think I'm trying to put it on top of these scissors and that's why it keeps falling. He goes to preschool at his daycare now. So he goes to preschool at his daycare for 3 days a week. And then he comes here 1 day a week and his other grandma 1 day a week. So that works out nice. We both get to see him every week. We all live in the same town, so it's nice. Okay, that's going to go there. Then we're going to put this one of eating lunch outside. It's going to go right here. And we'll put my granddaughter on the bottom next to him. And today, this grandson, Isaac, got to video chat with her brother, my other grandson, Peter. So that was nice, too. Alright, so that's going to go there. I'm going to probably do something here. I don't know, maybe some stickers. I probably have some leaf stickers somewhere. And then over here, I'm going to put this down. And the other stickers that I got from there. I thought it was really cute when they were giving away the mini McDonald's things. But I guess that's over now. I was hoping it was still on. Okay, and then I'm just going to put these stickers down. Why not? They don't mean really anything to me. Sugar? Is that how you say it? Sugar? But it will remind me of a fun day I had with my grandson. Oh, maybe I should put these over here. Does it fit? Yeah. There. That's good. I do feel like this is a little empty though, but what are you going to do? So I think that's it for this layout. And maybe I will put a label across the top with the date. And I do believe I will. How does this look? Maybe I'll just put it like right here. Or here. I kind of feel like I need something here and here. Let's put the date one at the top. But first, let's actually put the date on it. September. I gotta change everything now. September 0. 4. Okay. Get my ink out. Okay, that's looking good. And I'll get my little black pen. Does anybody have any experience with these Stabilos? I like them a lot. Okay, so the park and McDonald's. Oh, and Dollar Tree, actually. With Isaac. So I'll put that one up. Maybe I'll put another one up down here to talk about her first day of school. Yeah, I think I will. And then I think I will also put a few little stickers on this side too. So there, we'll put that there. I don't actually like how that tape looks like down there, so I'm gonna put some of the same washi tape over it that I put on this page down here. So let's do that. There we go. That looks so much better. And I'm going to take some of these stickers and put them around on this page. We were having fun watching the leaves fall in our backyard, so I'll put a few leaves down. Actually, I wonder if I could take these off. I think I'll keep these on this side, now that I think about it, and put some falling leaves over here. Let's see. The other one came off so easily. There. Put this one here. That's okay. Will this one come off? Yeah. We'll put this one over here. I think that looks better. And oh no, here's a green one. Some of the leaves falling are still green, actually. So I'll put that one here, maybe? Yeah, here. And how about an acorn or a pine cone? Put a pine cone here and an acorn here And a little mushroom here. Almost forgot the box. So let's get this opened and taken apart or deconstructed. Oh, okay. And what I think I'm going to do is just cut each piece out and put it in here with the card. I can use these as journaling cards eventually. So I'll cut these all apart, then I'll show you how they look. Alright, so I cut them apart, I rounded the edges, and I didn't do anything to the backs, but you can see it'd be very easy to write on these. This one's a little bit screwed up because that's where it was glued and it got wrinkled, but I think, you know, I'll just put it in the back. And I gotta cut out this little tiny McDonald's box, which I thought might look cute over here, like right there. I think I'll put it actually. And so I believe that completes this layout. I can't believe I also forgot this. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to staple it. I feel like I should staple it like that. And I'm going to staple it maybe like on these things. And then you can flip it up. I think that's what I'm doing. And then I cannot say I'm done. Let's see if this will work. I kind of don't want that to show through. So I'm going to pull it up as far as I can. Like that. And maybe I should just do it on the edge. Yeah, I don't know. I think right there is good. There, and then we can just flip that up. And I think that looks cute. And it will look cute sticking out the top a little bit even. So, thank you so much for watching. And I appreciate your support. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see. Oh, I put it up too low. Well, oh well. You can still see it. Oh my gosh. All right. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.